CEL, Communications and Entertainment Limited.
The Australian Bicentennial Golf Classic, distributed by CEL Home Video in a gift pack, including golf towel, tees, markers and a pitch mark repairer.
Norman, Davis, Faldo, Woosnam, Graham, Marsh. 50 of the best golfers in the world. A classic field for a classic golf tournament. The Australian Bicentennial Golf Classic. On December the 1st, 1988, the Royal Melbourne Golf Course will host one of the richest golf tournaments in history. $1.5 million will be on offer to the competitors, more than 3 times the prize money offered by any other tournament and nearly equal to the entire prize money of the annual PGA Tour. An international team of commentators, assisted by 45 different camera positions, will cover every play. And, as you would expect from the best golfers in the world, the play will be fantastic.
Third. And what a lovely stroke. Oh.
The Australian Bicentennial Golf Classic, one of the richest golf tournaments in history.
CEL, Communications and Entertainment Limited.